You know the part that I left out in that story? Do you know the one I'm talking about? Is what you did to me. No,
and
just
we talked about that.
no, but let's talk about it now because it's different. What you did to me การที่เข้ามาแบบ forcing me to give you a blowjob, sneaking in when Mina is in the shower and everything หลายๆครั้ง over the years when you were like I don't know 14 or 16
That was just
that affected me
okay
มากกว่า Mina you know why because it was you ที่เป็นคนที่เป็นตัวแทนของครอบครัว for me คือ who can I count on ถ้าเกิดIไม่มีพี่ชาย if Mina did what she did and you still made me feel safe and you never แบบไม่ได้ rape I ไม่ได้ sexually assault I would at least feel เหมือนมีความปกป้องไว้
But you should have told me that Mina did something to you back then because
would it made a difference Pai because you would have still done it
I'm not saying but like I would have helped you but พี่ก็ you know for me I don't even know what I'm doing to be honest I'm just like fucking เด็กที่แบบไม่รู้เรื่องอะไรตอนนั้น
Pai we cannot make excuses like that because you ทำไปแล้วแล้วทรายต้องบำบัดตัวเอง it's not มันง่ายที่จะทำลายคนอื่นแต่การบำบัดตัวเอง it's much more difficult it takes a lot more time I wasn't able to have dating relationships with other guys because sometimes I can still taste your dick in my mouth it's horrible and it's painful it's nothing that a brother should ever feel it's not just sexual assault Pai it's like incest and I had no responsibility in it at all because I was a kid I just wanted to spend time with you and what you did was take advantage of that
I didn't even คือ as I said พี่ตอนนั้นไม่รู้ว่าพี่ทำอะไรเข้าใจปะ I'm a kid
yes but you're grown up now and you are still you are that person that did it but you're also older Pai
but the thing is when we grow up you know that is wrong and what I've done I can never take back but I you know
Pai you were 16 like
I wasn't 16 I was like 14
no Pai like it was you were old enough because I was around 10 or 11 when that happened and you were like 6 years older so it was like 16 or 17
no.
yes Pai it is and I did not write about that because no one wants to hear about it no, that is the most disgusting one I don't think anyone in this family could ever recover from that that's why I would never write that but the minute that Mina was hired back and I heard nothing from anyone especially you and that somehow you thought it was none of your business that she hired Mina back to take care of a place in LA Pai that was
you know I wasn't happy about that decision let me tell you I told my mom I wasn't happy and I didn't talk to her I did not talk to her at all when she was at the house พี่ไม่คุยกับเขาเลย like I didn't want to see her there to be honest I didn't even look at her